the description that feels beyond the triangle.
So this here is the 9-piece Scuddles garden tool set here, and my spray bottle's over here. I already have this here filled with water here. I've been using it. So these are the Scuddles garden pruners, and take that's really nice. Pruners have really nice spring action to them. They're not hard or anything like that. They gave a beautiful clean cut on this straw flower stem here. Really nice soft handles. It has a nice grip on them so you can get in there and cut what you need to cut. Now this right here is a weeder. Now this is one of my plants here. This is not a weed, but I want to show you kind of how this works. Now I'm not going to yank my plant out of the soil, but you can kind of get an idea. So the stem, like if this would be a thistle, would go in between these two forks here. And this would kind of be your leverage here, and you would push it up, and that will pull the weed out of the soil. Now I don't want to pull my plant out, so I'm not going to show you the whole thing through, but you know, you put it like that, and then this here will be your leverage to get that thing out of the soil. And you have your little spray bottle here, and I already filled this with water. Just take and spray over the top of your, waiting for my seeds here to germinate.